Jeff, we're here at the DH Pump Shop in Weatherford, Texas. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself, your role with the company, and a little more about the business?
My history in the background, really my role here is being managing partner at DH.
Okay.
When we initially started this company, we originally started with a company called Red Rock Machine, which did machining services really for the frac industry, doing frac valve seats, plungers, things like that on the machining side. We started DH in 2013 to really capture the market as far as selling to the end user with plungers, spray and grind services, things like that. And one of the things that we really saw with Red Rock and with DH, we really saw that the synergy between the two really played on each other. So as we started to grow, we actually merged the two together the first quarter of this year.
In March, right?
Back in March of 18. So through the transition of joining Red Rock and DH together, we realized that we're a much stronger team. The management team's very strong. The guys that really run this thing, Jeff Humphrey, Justin Donaldson, Shelton Medlock, they're fantastic working together. One of the things that really their strength is that they really have their own boxes. They really know their roles, they know what they do, they know how this thing works in concert. As we grow with the relationships that we have through our existing distribution network, existing customers, the end goal is to really sell to the end users. We've got plenty of space. We could easily build a 50 or 75,000 square foot addition in Gainesville to grow, which would take machine space. We could easily add on anywhere from 20 to 40,000 square feet here in Weatherford.
So Jeff, tell me a little bit about what differentiates DH from other plunger manufacturers.
When that kind of comes to it, when you start working on these plungers, it's really an art more of a science. And so there's been a lot of spray shops that tried this. There's been a lot of spray shops that have failed. And so one of the things we've realized is we need to have the parts these guys need on the shelf. Our differentiating fact is when a customer needs it, they need it. And we automatically get out there. The relationship we have, we try to stay ahead of our customers. We try to get with them and figure out where they're going, what they're going to need. And so the one thing that customers have is they got problems with their inventory too.
Right.
And so as they go forward, we try to make sure they know what they need, when they need it, when they need an invoice, when they need to give us a PO for it so we can get it to them. Last thing we want is a customer to call and say we don't have it. So, give an example, we had a customer call last Thursday, they needed 100 parts. We delivered to them last Tuesday, and they were just amazed at the fact that we can get it to them that fast.
All right, Shelton, tell me a little bit about your role with the company.
Well, I've been in charge of the machine side. Over in Gainesville, we supply all the raw material, machine them. Once we're done machining them, we transport them out here to Weatherford, and we just try to make sure that our parts are 100% on point to print so we can end up with a good finished product in the end.
So tell me about labor. Are you able to hire the type of labor in the Gainesville market that you need?
Absolutely. The Gainesville location, we take full advantage of the program out at the NCTC College. So we'll grab guys that's freshly out of college, and I can hire them from day one, and they're ready to rock and roll.
All right, Justin, tell me a little bit about yourself.
My name is Justin Donaldson. I am a vice president here at DH Pump and Supply for the last 5 years. I oversee the operations here at DH, the Weatherford location. I moved a company out here called PMI Pump Parts with the previous owner. Worked there for about 10 to 11 years.
You guys manufacture more than just plungers. Tell me a little bit about your product offering.
Yes, not only do we specify in plungers with different coatings, we do sell, as far as the fluid and expendables, they actually go into the pump themselves. We have all that in stock.
So you have the ability to expand this facility if you needed to, correct?
Yes, recently we just purchased the 2.6 acres beside us in Weatherford. The Gainesville location, I think it's a full 7-8 acres total. So yes, we do have plenty of room to expand.
All right, I'm here with Jeff Humphrey. Jeff, tell me a little bit about yourself.
President of DH Pump and Supply. Been around the business since probably 2007. I've always been on the fracking side, a little bit on the sales side. That's always been my mechanic issue, and I handle all the sales. I have the end users, the whole users. I do all the just customer relations, and I'm hands-on on building pumps and stuff like that, mechanic side.
Okay. So Jeff, you've actually worked in the business, spraying, grinding, actually manufacturing, correct?
When we first started this thing, it was just Justin Donaldson and I, you know, and with our background and everything, it was just us two spraying. So it's led on to further bigger things.
That's awesome.